Hey guys, this is Fox here, and welcome back to 7 Days to Die. I am currently in the middle of a theater, trying not to get eaten, and I'm gonna break this door down. Let's see if I can. Yes! And nobody noticed. Ha ha ha. Oh, there's only... Oh, wait a second. Both registers are open. Fuck off. Okay, so let's convert that right away. Before we try to break into the safe and possibly die again. I don't know where my light went. Where'd my flashlight go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'll leave it in my inventory instead of my thing. In case I die again. Oh, I should probably move my shovel too. Shit. That's my only weapon. You better not be coming in. Can I break it? Tell me I can break it. Ooh. I think I'm putting a dent in it. I'll probably run out of axe before I get in there. Yeah, I'm not getting in there. Oh, look, a filing cabinet with nothing. Alright, I'll come back here. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's great. Thanks, guys. They just spawned a horde. Mm-hmm. That's cool. Hear all that pitter-patter? And that buzzing? Listen, watch. Yeah. That's the sound of doom. I'm pulling out my gun. I don't give a fuck. Oh. Yeah, this is a game you really gotta listen to the sounds. So forgive the occasional silence from me. Yep, this is your life whenever a horde comes through, unless you want to run or fight them. Let's see what spawned in that. Let's see, wasteland. There's lots of dogs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dog groups. What does that even mean? I don't know what a dog group is. Oh. Yeah, look. Spawning wandering mode. Wandering horde moving towards player. Big douchebags. But if you don't bother them... Animals? Okay. If you don't bother them, they might just pass by. I don't know which way they're going. I really want to go to that gun store. Because I need guns. I need preferably a sniper and a shotgun. Those are my weapons of choice. Hurry up now. Anytime soon. You know, at your leisure, of course. The big douchebags. There isn't very much storage. Alright, I think I might just have to come back for the guns. The gun store. I think that was the sound for the Silent Hill 4 sniffer dogs. They sound like jaguars. Which I don't understand. Like, why do they do that? Oh. Oh! die! Bitch, die! Why didn't that work? Why didn't that work? That is such bullshit. Utter bullshit. And I can't see. Oh my god, and I'm bleeding out. Oh, crap. Shit, I'm getting chased still. I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna die, that's the way it is. Oh, you... Alright, come on, heal, 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 heal. No, 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 no! Don't die! Don't die! Oh, oh. I don't know what's coming towards me, but I don't want to know. Goodbye. Oh, man, I am so skilled. Did you see that? I healed myself. Fuck you, Hornet. Fuck you, Hornet. Fuck off. No. That's right, you better run. Ugh. Woohoo! Yeah, okay, I survived. Out of the city I go. 'Cause fuck you guys. Oh! Oh! Go away. I don't know where you are, but go away. I have fire. Oh, Milky Way. Alright, I don't know where I'm heading. Please, just let me look at my map. I'm probably heading far away from where I want to be. Alright, come on, just let me look at the map. Okay, alright, alright. We gotta go this way. I think. Okay, I need the directions right away. Yes, I'm heading the right way. So northeast. Ooh! There's two of them now. Fuck off! Fuck off! Oh my god, I'm gonna die. From hornets! Go away! Jesus, what did I ever do to you? Oh my god. Okay, just... Come on, man. Come on. Come on, don't... I am walking as fast as I can. You know, no adrenaline or anything from almost getting killed. Come on. Stamina, don't fail me now. Oh, they sound close. Maybe they left me alone. Nope, they didn't leave me alone. I can still hear them. Run! Run, bitch, run! Oh my god, no! 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 Fuck! 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 You son of a bitch! Oh! Didn't even... Where was the warning growls? There was no warning growls or barks. He just snuck up on me like a motherfucker. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Now I didn't spawn where I wanted to. I love that. Where am I? Okay, fine. Where's my backpack? Oh. Nice. Way down there. Okay. That's cool. Right there? No. This way. This way? Yeah. No. It's further left. Right to me. Okay. Right there. Oh. I should probably bring my flashlight out. What the fuck is that? I don't want no monks howling in my ear. Jeez. Alright. Come on, turn on. Yeah, sorry my voice is kind of crackly and stuff. I don't know what that was. I'm going to keep moving. And I got a sniffly nose. I have allergies. Yes. Do want. Okay. Okay. Oh, river. Hi. Oop. Oh, I am so tired of retrieving my belt. I'm so done. I'm so done. Oh, Steam, stop doing that. Okay. I swear this game gives me so much anxiety, but I'm just hooked. I love it. It's a terrible addiction. Whoa! Lady in red, chill out. Whoa. Is it a pig? Yeah, it's a pig. Okay, that is a fat dog. Okay, I was like, well, this is a void. It's a crappy flashlight. It's because the batteries are dying? Or maybe it's just because it's on water. That's cool. I don't think they had reflections before the moon. Yeah, nice skybox. It's so pretty. It was better than the last one, too. I think in the last one they had like a UFO flying up in there. It was pretty funny. Oh, it was only once in a while that I could find it, though. Oh. Ooh, a cabin in the woods. Okay, I'm coming. Maybe I'll come back to that. I don't know. I'm hunted, so oh, hi. Nope, I can't go in there. Sounded like a lot of aggro over there. Ooh, creepy fog. Silent Hills ahead. So yeah, the thing about this game is that it's a lot different from other zombie games in the fact that you have very limited ammo. Like in Left 4 Dead, you find it in bundles everywhere. And you can just, you know, spray all over the place for the most part and kind of live. But in this one, you don't have very much ammo. It takes up a lot of resources to even make ammo. And guns have to go for, you have to make, I don't know what I'm saying. You have to repair them. Why was that so hard? Yeah, you have to repair them. You have to find good quality. Oh, geez, bear. Not you. Not you. I have enough zombies following me, and now you. Come on, man. Lighten up. Oh. Okay. Why the inspirational music? I don't understand. Oh, he's still hunting me. I'm not gonna get away from him. Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Alright, I'm gonna look right away. Oh, it's still far. Ah. Son of a nugget biscuit. Ooh. Oh, okay, this isn't radiated. I keep forgetting. After the first episode of this, I'm kind of leery about green rocks and shit. Radiation. Super fun. Okay, no longer need my light. I need my shovel, though. Can I just sit in the lake until my stamina comes back? What the hell was that? Dog? Dog, are you there? Come on, Fido. Or Cujo, rather. You son of a bitch. Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah, I'm stuck. Oh. Oh, come on. Oh, what the hell? It didn't despawn. I was way across the map. How come they didn't despawn? It means the dog is still here. Come on, I just want my belt back. Just gimme. Oh. Oh, I missed it. Where is it? Ah. It's right over there somewhere. Alright, bitch. Oh! Oh no! No, I dropped it! Oh! I dropped my shovel and there's a dog! What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Go away. Go away, go away. You fucking... Oh! Oh, yeah, now you growl. Thanks. Son of a fucker. Mother. Alright, I'm alright. Well, I'm cool. I'm alright. I'm just gonna sneak around them. Fuck my shovel. So I'm not going back for that shit. I'll probably disappear by the time I get there anyway. Oh, but there's plenty of bricks to get stuck on. Still following me. At least the dog's not following me, though. Maybe if I walk. Oh, come on. Oh! You son of a... I dropped that too! Fucking Q, I gotta change that. No, it's surrounded. Oh! Ah, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. Fuck off, you guys. Do you see how hard this is? What kind of bullshit is this? Oh! I like that. I don't even know if it's worth it going back. I had a gun and a torch and... what else? An axe. Food, water. Yeah, totally not worth going back for. Oh, I got some food here. I don't have anything for a gun. Or weapon, as a matter of fact. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna... I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, make a stone axe, I guess, is the first thing. I'm gonna be punching trees and shit. Minecrafting this shit up. See, that is not a stick. What kind of icon thingy is that? I'm gonna punch in grass. Fuck you, grass. Yeah, take it. Alright. Stone. Yes, that's what I need. Oh, the winter biome. Am I close to where I was before? Are you actually spawning me in places that... No. Well, sort of. Before, they used to spawn you, like, all the way over here, and you couldn't fucking find anywhere where you last spawned. Oh. Alas, my poor backpack. I must leave you behind. Oh, well. Okay, so... I will make an axe. If I can fucking find a stone. There's one. Hello, stone. Rock lobster. Alright, where's... cool thing is if you click on one of these and you made it before, they automatically pull it from your inventory. Alright, there's that. I can't believe I dropped my shit. This is such bullshit. Alright. Well, I think I'm out of time for this episode, so thank you guys for watching, and yeah, hopefully I can find a place to live next time. Fox out.